A John Deere 4020 restoration can get expensive before you even find out what you own. The smart move is not a wrench. It is a notebook, a camera, and about an hour of honest looking. Start at the serial number plate. Photograph it, write it down, and record the fuel, transmission, and configuration. That is how you keep a manual or parts order matched to the tractor in your shop, not to somebody's memory of it. The 4020 operator manual groupings change at 90,999, 200,999, and 250,000, so do not guess from the paint or the year a neighbor names. Next, make a condition record before teardown. Take photos from all four sides, then get close shots of the dash, wiring, hoses, linkage, brackets, casting numbers, and odd little spacers. Make 5 columns: works, does not work, missing, damage or leaks, and needs identification. You are building a map for the day this project has been apart long enough to forget what that clip did. For parts, split your list into safety items, worn or damaged items, and inspect after disassembly. Do not order the third pile until you know what came off the tractor. The listed 4020 diesel parts manual for serial 200-1000 and up has 824 pages of exploded diagrams, but that is not a match-all shortcut. Confirm the serial number, fuel, transmission, and configuration first. Set the work up right. Level floor. Good light. Battery disconnected before electrical work. Proper blocks and stands before you work around anything raised. A jack is for lifting, not for trusting your afternoon to it. Here is my pro tip: make one shelf that says, "Do not lose." Put the serial photos, notebook, bagged hardware, manuals, and current parts list there. A little order now saves a mighty long hunt later. For the complete procedures and diagrams for your exact 4020, keep the John Deere 4020 service manual beside the project. The link is below. Thumbs up if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.